Good morning. Introduction to trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri meaning three, gon sides and metron meaning measures. Trigonometry is the study of the relation between the sides and angles of a triangle. In this chapter we will study ratios of the sides of a right angled triangle with respect to its acute angle. First we will define the values of trigonometric ratios for the angles of measures between 0 and 90 degree. Then we will also calculate trigonometric ratio for some specific angles and established some identities involving these ratios which are called trigonometric identities. Now, the ratios of sides of a triangle with respect to its acute angle are called trigonometric ratios. Here are some figures. Now, there are three figures. Angle of reference A. In this figure, we can see here the angle of reference is angle A. Second figure, angle of reference is C. And in this figure, angle of reference is Q. So, here the angle of reference can change the base and opposite sides, but the hypotenuse remains same. So here in triangle ABC with reference angle A, the base is AB, BC is opposite sides and AC is hypotenuse side. And for the angle of reference C, here the base is now BC and here the base is AB and opposite AB and here opposite is BC. So this type of changes we can see. Now in angle of reference R, here the base is QR, opposite is PQ and the hypotenuse is PR. So if we recall our previous session, we had talked about all these basic needed in learning trigonometry. In this session we are going to revise the concepts and various formulas of trigonometry which are very useful in solving all type of questions in trigonometry. There are only 6 such combinations are possible. And thus we have these 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So sine opposite upon hypotenuse, cos adjacent or base upon hypotenuse, tan opposite upon base. For cosec, hypotenuse upon opposite, sec hypotenuse upon base and cot base upon hypotenuse. So these are the sine, cos and tan are the basic trigonometric ratios, and to get the rest we need to just reverse this ratio. For example, sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. If we reverse, we get hypotenuse upon opposite. So we can say sine and cosec are the reciprocal of each other. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse, so sec hypotenuse upon adjacent or base. Similarly, tan opposite upon base, cot base upon hypotenuse. Now the next topic is Pythagoras theorem. In right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. See, in this figure triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and this is equals to the sum of AB square plus BC square. That is, hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. C square equals to B square plus A square. If you want to find out A square, so we have to transform this C square minus B square. And if you want to find out B square, so we need C square minus A square. Now here some examples. Indicate the perpendicular hypotenuse and the base with respect to angle marked S. Now see, this is figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3 with respect to angle X, X and angle X. So for this figure, first the perpendicular is B and the hypotenuse is C and the base is A. Now for this second figure, the perpendicular is E, the hypotenuse is F, and the base is D. Now for this third figure, perpendicular is G, base is H, and hypotenuse is I.